Looking for a vacation getaway? A second or permanent home? Check out RV Resort Lot 129 in Outdoor Resorts at Gatlinburg and this 2021 Grand Design RESR fifth wheel camper. There's an enormous amount of storage space, and these exterior storage bins are equipped with pull-out sliding trays, a retractable full outdoor kitchen with adjustment table, even an outdoor shower. And you're never without power thanks to the 5K Onan Generator. Inside, the living room offers Thomas Payne Seismic theater seating with massage and heat, 2 sofa sleepers, and a retractable TV with electric fireplace. Check out the fully equipped kitchen with all stainless appliances, a full-size residential gas range and microwave, a residential-size refrigerator, great storage throughout, including the pantry, and the dining table seats 4. The main bedroom features this king bed with under mattress storage, plenty of closet space, including room for a stackable washer and dryer. You'll be amazed at all the extras we provided at Lot 129, like this pergola decked out in string lighting, bench table, Adirondack bench chairs, even a 2021 Easy Go gas golf cart, custom painted to match your RV home, and so much more. Lot 129 in Outdoor Resorts Gatlinburg is a new lifestyle opportunity that could even be a short-term rental investment property. Schedule your private tour today. Call Louis Josey of Prime Mountain Properties direct at 865-360-9003.